Welcome back to our channel, where we're diving deep into the fascinating world of architectural brilliance. Have you ever looked at a building and wondered, how did they create something so extraordinary? Well, that's exactly what we're exploring today. The art, science, and sheer brilliance behind some of the world's most awe-inspiring structures. Architectural brilliance goes beyond just aesthetics. It's about innovative design, meticulous planning, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Think about the Sydney Opera House in Australia with its iconic sail-like structures. The genius of architect Jorn Utzon transformed a vision into a reality, creating a symbol of architectural innovation. But it's not just about how buildings look, it's also about what they can withstand. Consider the incredible engineering behind structures like the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. This marvel of suspension engineering not only connects 2 points, but also stands strong against the forces of nature. It's a testament to human ingenuity. Architectural brilliance often intertwines with cultural significance. Take the Taj Mahal in India, a sublime blend of intricate craftsmanship and symbolic meaning. It's not just a building, it's a monument of love, an architectural poem that echoes through the ages. In the modern era, architects continue to redefine what we thought was possible. The Burj Khalifa in Dubai pierces the sky, showcasing cutting-edge technology and sustainable practices. It's not just the world's tallest building, it's a symbol of our ambition and progress. Architectural brilliance isn't something reserved for the past or for far-off places. It's all around us. Look at your cityscape! What buildings inspire you? What architectural wonders make your jaw drop? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's celebrate the brilliance in our own backyards. So, whether you're an architect, a design enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates the beauty of the built environment, remember, architectural brilliance is everywhere. It's in the soaring skyscrapers, the historic monuments, and even the cozy homes that shelter us. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep marveling at the world's architectural wonders.